Hi, welcome to Keeper's Creative Flow. So we made a fabric basket and yeah, we're going to undo it now. So here it is. We made it out of Snippet roll. Sorry, it is very noisy. So this was a cereal box. So I'm going to try to undo it, but I'm just going to show you quickly that copydex. This copydex glue. It hasn't dried, so I'm not sure what to do about that. But I'm sure the fabri-tac has dried, which was all around the top. Excuse the noise now. I'll try to undo this. Okay. Oh man, maybe this was a bit of a fail. Oh no. Yep, it's still not fully dried, and this is not enough. Oh dear Lord. Try and get it down all the way. My goodness me, that's a lot of glue, and there's a lot of holes in this basket as well. Gosh. Could have been worse, right? Some of it has started to dry, but it's really not fully the right thing. Let me just try to wipe this off. Oh yeah, it is white, but it's still wet. We learn, don't we? So I'm wondering if it can be just turned into a just turning it over like this. Yeah, why not? That's cute. Don't forget this was paper and fabric, so it's going to be a bit awkward. And snippet rolls, mind you. And different fabrics, so there's like plastic as well within this. But yeah, I think that'll work, won't it? What do you guys think? This is what it looks like on the edges. This is the inside. Still needs cleaning off. It's fine. The moral of the story is don't use that copydex glue on a project like this. Stick to the fabri-tac, I think. Or what Barbara suggested in 49 Dragonflies. So this is part of the challenge, which is called dephemerember. And yeah, this was the basket. Oh, that's not too bad, you know. It's not too shabby. It's actually quite cute. Right. That was it. Just a quick update of how this turned out. I thought that was going to be more of a fail, but I think that's worked out quite well, just turning it over like that. Anyway, see ya in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.